Hello class. Now in this video we will see the remaining two subsystem of braking system. In the previous lecture we have gone through that force amplification system. Now we will have transmission system over here. So transmission system are those which are responsible to transmit the force developed or force applied by driver either on the foot lever or on the hand lever. Okay, so whenever driver applied the force to in order to stop the vehicle on handlebar on hand lever or on foot lever, that get transmitted to the road wheels. Okay, through one medium. That medium, it's again depend on what kind of braking system we are using. If we are using the hydraulic braking system, that force get conveyed by the hydraulic pressure to the wheel end. If you are using a pneumatic braking system, then that force get conveyed to that road wheels via pneumatic pressure. If you are using a mechanical braking system, then but obviously there is a mechanical linkage are guided from hand lever or foot lever to that road wheels. Okay, so that system is called as a transmission. How that force get transmitted from the driver side to the road wheel side, so that is called as a transmission. In case of the pneumatic braking system, there is a advantage regarding to the transmission. In case of the mechanical, there is a disadvantage. Again, in case of the hydraulic, there is a disadvantage in case of the transmission system failure, because in case of the mechanical linkage transmission, if any linkage get break somewhat any position, for example, just sake of time, just imagine this is a mechanical. If this linkage get break over here, okay, uh, if it get uh, break over here, just 1 minute. As technical difficulties there, just consider if it get break over here. This is if this is a mechanical linkage, or just this wire get break over here, so no any brake force applied by driver, it gets supposed to transmit over here. So if this wire get break, no any force applied by driver, it transmit over here. In case of the hydraulic braking system, if this line get leak here, then whatever the force applied by this driver at this end, it's supposed to leak through that puncture or that hole, and all the fluid come out from this line. But in case of the air braking system, pneumatic braking system, it is not like that. Even though puncture is there, all the pressure is conveyed to that pressure also, and even though that force are conveyed to the wheel cylinder end also, there is a no any there is no any effect or take place that puncture on the efficiency of braking system. But there is a we need to rectify that puncture, but for this brake application time, it is not affecting any affecting that complete failure of the system. Okay, it can consider that puncture can consider there is a minor small hole puncture may present on the brake transmission line in case of the pneumatic. But in case of the hydraulic braking system and in case of mechanical braking system, we can't tolerate that small punctures, even small breakage in linkage, in order to have the full efficiency of braking. Okay, so that is a transmission system. Now actuation system, how actuation is take place. The actuation system is nothing but now we have uh, gone through the foundation on which the system is having a rigid support. We gone through the force amplification, that multiplication of force. We gone through the transmission. Now we are come at the location of wheel, that is actuation. Whether this actuation, okay, if this actuation are done on the basis of piston cylinder arrangement. Here you can see there is a piston and this is the cylinder. So this is a piston cylinder type actuation are take place somewhere like here. In here there is a cam system is there. Okay, so cam and or we can say toggle actuation system is there. So on the basis of actuation, we have a different arrangement actuation system. Here piston cylinder arrangement there, and here you are having the cam actuation. So they are the different things include or any kind of braking subsystem. In case of the pneumatic, there is a actuation again mechanical one. Even transmission is pneumatic. Okay, transmission of force is pneumatic, but at the actuation side it using again piston and cylinder arrangement. Okay, so diaphragm type piston and piston and rod arrangement are used in, or piston, or we can say diaphragm cylinder, and S-shaped cam is used in case of the pneumatic actuation system. Transmission is pneumatic, but actuation is again cam type. So this is the actuation system. So till here we gone through all the subsystems of any braking system, that is foundation, force amplification, transmission, and the actuation. So if you feel any difficulty, just post your question in comment section. Thank you.